it is done here. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to unlock today's daily master combo card. So without no further delay, let's dive into the video. As you can see here, there's our daily combo card. It has been here. So our first card is going to be under web 3. As you can see here, this is the web 3. It's going to be under web 3. So you click on it and you collect it. Web 3. So that's our first card. So without no further delay, let's go to special to collect our second card. Our second card is going to be under new card, under special, new card, under special, new card. So you click on new card and it's going to be this one. Semi-final Spain versus France. Go ahead and click it. So that's our second card. So our third card is going to be under special also. Under special also. That's our third card. So you are going to click it, scroll down here, scroll down, scroll down. You are going to scroll down until you see this card. I'm looking for it. TG's leader, as you can see here, this is it. This is our second card, our third card. TG's leaders. Okay, so see you in my next video. Peace out.